Hey y'all, welcome to South Texas College Knowledge, where we help make your college experience an exceptional one. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and turn on post notifications to know each time we upload a new video. Have you ever tried to get a hold of customer service and you're put on hold and transferred and put on hold and transferred and put on hold again, only to have your questions not fully answered? We hate that. Everyone hates that. So here at SEC, we definitely do not want that to happen to our students. In this video, we'll go over student services and what they can do for you and how to get a hold of them directly. We'll put all the phone numbers, emails, and websites in the description down below. Let's get started. For things related to enrollment, like how to apply or make a payment, financial aid, getting advice, or requesting a transcript, you can actually chat with those department staff members online. Financial aid, admissions, cashiers, and advising each have their own chat feature. If you go to the homepage, click on the chat icon, you can actually select which department you need. If you need help with your coursework, essays, or even someone to look over your professional emails you're writing, the Centers of Learning Excellence can help you out. Each campus has a CLE and its own specific phone number, which you can find in the CLE website. The CLE also has a chat feature. You can click on the Chat with Us at the bottom of the website to start your chat now. If you want to talk to somebody about things like stress, anxiety, or need accommodations for your class or tutoring, the Department of Counseling and Student Accessibility Services can help you. You can message the department staff via Microsoft Teams, which is available to all students using SEC emails. You can DM them at counseling. If you're an active military personnel, a reservist, or a veteran and want some help discovering what benefits you qualify for, our Student Veteran Affairs Office can help you. Spouses and dependents can also qualify for benefits, so this is for y'all too. On our website, you can see what benefits you are eligible for and contact for each respective location. There are VA offices on our Pecan, Mid-Valley, and Starr County campuses. The Career and Employer Services Department can help you prepare to find a career. They provide resources to get your resumes, cover letters, and portfolios ready. They connect you with internships and offer you assessments that help you find your career. You can find a lot of information on their website along with their contact information. The PASS program at SEC is designed to assist special populations enrolled in career and technical education programs. Special populations include individuals with disabilities, individuals from economically disadvantaged families, English learners, single parents, single pregnant women, out-of-workforce individuals, homeless individuals, youth in or have aged out of foster care system. If you think you are part of any of these categories listed, please visit the PASS website for more information to get in contact with their staff. If you are looking for information about transferring from SEC to another college or university, our Transfer Center can give you all the help you need. On their website, you will find a lot of helpful information and their phone number. As mentioned, you will find the links to all these sites in the description down below. If you found this information helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. We're always adding new content to make your college experience an exceptional one. This has been South Texas College Knowledge. Thanks for watching.